In less than a year, the Navajo Nation went from being the worst coronavirus hotspot in the country to a vaccination success story. The tribe going to war to stop the spread, instituting weekend lockdowns and shutting down their most profitable businesses, casinos. Now they're taking that same attitude with vaccinations. ABC-15's Cameron Polam showing how they've managed to roll out shots in record time.
More than 80,000 doses administered, nearly a quarter of those living on the Navajo Nation now vaccinated with at least one shot of the coronavirus vaccine.
On Saturday alone, we vaccinated over 5,000 people here on the Navajo Nation.
Nation President Jonathan Nez is in Fort Defiance, where hundreds more are getting their first dose Thursday. The drive-up site you see here has been replicated across the vast Navajo community.
As they come in, they get registered. They get the registration done to them, those that want it in the Navajo language. That is offered.
It's details like delivering education surrounding the vaccine in that language that have led to a successful rollout. Town halls hosted twice a week in English and Navajo. Speakers including physicians from the community, leaders, and heavy-hitting guests.
You know, we had people like Dr. Fauci on our town hall. We had Dr. Burla from Pfizer.
On the Navajo Nation, people just wanted to get the vaccine. And it really was a tribute to the trust that they have with Indian Health Services.
Dr. David Calloway with Team Rubicon would know. He and his team volunteered to assist with the rollout there. He says this community is setting the example.
That gives me hope because we can manage the operations of getting vaccines into arms as long as people want them.
And right now, that's exactly what they're doing.
It's a great thing here on the Navajo Nation Res for our elderly people. And the people that are older than us, our teachers, we really need to protect them.
And right after their shot, they're usually like, oh, that wasn't so bad.
Even better, more vaccine is on the way with hopes of reaching more than 100,000 doses administered in the next few weeks. I'm Cameron Polam, ABC 15, Arizona.